Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, yeah, do your thing, yes, do your thing. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Nah, the spooky voice ain't working, so I'm gonna knock that on the head. But welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you're not new here, welcome back, my lovelies. Today we have a DIY Halloween haul. Yay! Even though Halloween is literally in like 2 days and I'm super late. It's on a Wednesday, so I know that parties would have happened on Saturday. But you know what, you can party on a Wednesday, you can party after Halloween. My cat is here to add to the spookiness. He's very old and he wants some attention. I feel like he's going to start crying in this video. But anyway. I've teamed up with Fashion Nova to bring you this haul slash lookbook. I feel like it's more of a lookbook than a haul. To show you how you can put like everyday pieces. Some of the pieces I've chosen are not actually everyday, but how you can put like pieces together to make costumes rather than go out and buy a costume, which if you're plus size, you know that ain't easy and that is a difficult task. And also, who's got £80 to be spending on a costume that you're going to wear once, because you can't exactly wear it next year because you've already done it. So yeah, let's get into it. Ooh. So for my first look, which was the red devil, sexy devil look, I'm going to call it. And to create that outfit, I had the red vinyl skirt, which I feel like was the main piece. And this is the boot camp skirt, red vinyl. I got this in a 2X and it is super stretchy. I think this is super cute. Like, this is perfect devil material. Like, this is sexy, but it's also like, bam, like, you know I'm dressing up. This, I personally don't see myself wearing it at any other point in the year apart from Halloween, just because this is very red, very sexy, very skinchy, very like very naughty, I'm gonna call it. It's very naughty skirt, you know, but it is really cute. If you're into like mini skirts and vinyl and red, it's a skirt for you, girl. And I paired it up with the Somebody to Love lace teddy, which I love this. Like, I think this is so, please ignore my nails because they're so bad, but this is so sexy. And it has an underwire. Oh, it has an underwire. Like, I hate like because this is lingerie, but you can wear it as a top, to be honest, and in black. I need to get this in a black because so cute. But I hate when lingerie doesn't have underwire and it's just like all material, because it's not gonna hold up my tatas. Like, my tits will be on the floor. Like, no, it has to have an underwire, which I'm so happy it does. And I just feel like this looks super expensive, and this is only $20 as well. So you've got a whole outfit for $40, which in English money is like, what, 30 something pound, if that. Like, so cute. And you can wear this for your man, girl. You can wear this out, like on a night out, pair it with some like black trousers or something. Like, this is super cute. So for the Barbie look, I used the Spontaneous Thoughts pink jacket. I got this in a 2X and it is super super comfy. Like the material's quite thin, so it's not like a stiff material where you're like and you're just feeling really stiff, which would have been actually quite fitting for Barbie. But this is super cute. The material is a little bit bin bag-esque, like, oh, it's quite thin, and yeah, I wasn't expecting like no $500 velvet type jacket. So I'm actually really pleased with it. I think this is so Barbie, and the colour is so, like, this is the colour Barbie would wear, and this is the type of jacket Barbie would wear, and I just feel like perfect for a Barbie look, perfect. So obviously I had the pink wig, which is super cute, only £10 from AliExpress, and a pink bag. And this is what I was like, I need to do a Barbie look. These shoes, how gorgeous are these shoes? And tell me that's not what Barbie would wear. I'm sure I've seen Barbie in shoes like this. Even got a clear heel. Come on. This is Barbie through and through. It's even got like suede in the shoe for your for your feet to be comfy. But guess what? My wide ass, platypus ass, dinosaur feet do not fit in them, because my feet are just so wide, and these are just not great for my feet. If you've got semi-wide feet, you could probably get them in. It's just this bit for me is just too high up, so my feet is just not going in them. But they're so cute, and they go so perfectly with this jacket, or even these shoes, and like a pink dress. I saw a really cute one on Fashion Nova. It's like a belted one, oh, to die for, and it is so like Barbie-esque, like it was super Barbie. Defo get these shoes, get the jacket, or get a pink dress with these shoes, because nearly knocked myself out. Get the Barbie look. And then we have, I don't actually know what to call this look, because it's like a mix of like a Black Widow slash Vegas Showgirl slash Black Angel look. Like there's so many different looks you could have with this. I think I'm going to go for Black Angel, I think. But we have this Isabella rhinestone dress in black. And oh, let me not get makeup on it. But guys, this dress, look at it shining. It's just so shiny, and it's so stretchy. Look, hey, just so shiny and so stretchy. Like in the club, you just be shiny. Like it's just so cute. I got this in a 2XL because I wanted it to be like nicely fitted. I didn't want it to be baggy anywhere, and it's perfect. Like this dress, you can wear it to the club, you can wear it to dress up as, you can wear it for your man. Like you can wear this dress in so many different ways, in so many different like environments, because it's just so fire. Like you could even wear it to a really cute dinner. Like it's just so gorgeous. Like I'm obsessed with it. Look at just, oh, I love shiny things. Like shiny things just get me. And I teamed it up with this black wig from Fashion Nova. And this wig is really good quality actually. It's just like a bob wig. It's in the little net at the moment, but the hair is really nice. Really nice synthetic hair. Super cheap. And it just adds that dramatic effect, like, bam. And you can even just like add these little ears. These are also from Fashion Nova. These are the sparkle feline ears. And these are super cute. And you could just wear it with this dress and just be shining, just be sparkling. You can be a cat, you can be a black cat, it can be anything. Like it's so, this dress is so versatile, and you can literally create so many costumes with it, which is why I love it. Last but not least, we have these tights. Guys, I've wanted these type of tights for the longest. Since I've seen Beyonce wear them, I've wanted like diamond encrusted tights that just look like so, they're such bad, like they're so bad bitch. Like Oh, I just love them. And these are super cute because they're really big gems, like, so you're gonna see them and it's gonna be noticeable. These are called the Vegas Showgirl tights, which, this is Vegas Showgirl. You wear this with a black bodysuit, this black wig, and be a Vegas Showgirl. Boom, it's done, it's done. Pair it up with some boots, any type of black shoe or like a sparkly shoe. You aren't a winner, honey. I also got these super cute snakeskin boots, and oh, they're so comfy. Like, I'm not even joking. I have super fat feet, and it's so annoying trying to find shoes that actually fit. These actually fit. They zip up around my fat ankles, they get around my fat feet, like, it's heaven. And I think Kylie Jenner wore these shoes, and they're just super cute. You can pair this up with the Barbie look. I think you could also pair it up with the devil's outfit because you're wearing all red. It's very one colour. Then bam, you got these super sexy snakeskin boots. So there you go. So yeah, that is the end of my DIY Fashion Nova Halloween haul. I know it's a bit late. I'm so sorry. But there's still time. There's still time for you to dress up, have fun. And even if it's not for Halloween, like, if you've got a fancy dress party or some sort of theme party, there you go, you got some costumes. If you just want to be fun and just be crazy. I thought this was going to be much more difficult than it was, and Fashion Nova have so many items of clothing and for plus size, so it's not like you're out of options. Like, there's so much you can mix and match with and just create costumes out of. And I absolutely love the costumes I created out of these pieces because they're super cute, and I love dressing up. Like, I find dressing up so fun and like therapeutic and just exciting. Like, you can just be whoever you want to be. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite costume was out of these four. And also, if you've created any costumes this Halloween, write them in the comments or send me a DM or tag me in your pictures on Instagram. I want to see your costume. I want to see your Halloween costume. I just love seeing people be creative and that jazz. So yeah, tag me on Instagram, Antonia.jade. I want to see all y'all looks. I want to see them all. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.
See your name like a mantra in the back of a Hyundai Elantra. What you doing to me, baby Dunka? If you've been good, I'm your karma. If you've been bad, I'm a ghost gonna haunt ya. Cause I really